In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your display monitor in NBA 2K26. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off on the main menu right here, you need to just go ahead and tab over to the features section, just like so, and go ahead and open it up. Now, once you're in the features section, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs on here. Go ahead and look specifically for video settings on this left-hand sidebar. Just scroll all the way down, select it, open it up, and then from here, what you're looking for is display monitor. Essentially, you just need to select it, and then on this right-hand side, you could go ahead and just change where your, game is going to be displayed at. I'm not going to change it right now since, my screen capture is currently set up to this one. But essentially, if I wanted to, I could select it over to my second monitor and be good to go. But it really is as simple as that. As soon as you select it, all you have to do is just back out and it's going to automatically save. You don't have to hit save or anything. And it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.